Did you know that you can get a free domain name just by signing up for a hosting service? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to snag that free domain with Hostinger. And trust me, it's super easy. Hey there, welcome to Umar Bhatt channel, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will teach you, I will show you that how to secure a free domain with Hostinger, one of the leading web hosting providers in 2024. You know, whether you are starting a blog, an online store, or just a personal website, having a domain is, key, and getting it for free, even better. So let's dive right in. So now let's talk about a common problem, many aspiring websites owners face. You have got this great idea and you are ready to bring it to life, but then you hit a wall. Yes, domain registration costs can really add up, often discouraging people from establishing their online presence. I mean, who wants to shell out cash for something that you could potentially get for free? It can feel overwhelming, and especially if you are just starting out and trying to keep expenses low. That's where Hostinger comes into play, and offering you a solution that can help you bypass those pesky fees and get your project off the ground without breaking the bank. So how do you actually get that free domain? Don't worry, I am here to guide you through the whole process step by step. First, you will need to head over to Hostinger's website. I have included the link in the description of this video. So once you are there, so you will want to choose the right hosting plan. Here you can see like different plans we have. If you see here, like in Hostinger, we have web hosting, we have cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and business email. So there are a few options, but for this deal, the shared hosting, this plan is usually the way to go. And after you select this plan, it's time to either create a new account, or you can log in if you already have one, if you have just recently purchased your account. So what we can do, like we can go to claim deal. This is the shared hosting deals, or you can also go from here like web hosting. So same thing, like claim deal. So you can see like here there are 3 packages. The first one is premium, the second one is business, and the last one is cloud startup. You can see the price, how it is, like $2.99 per month. This is with 48 month terms, and you will get also 3 months free. So even you purchase it for yearly, you will get this one, see, free domain. So you will get a free domain that is worth of approximately $10. And you will also see here in the business plan, even we have this option in the less package, in the low package. So in upper packages, definitely we have still this options. Free domain, you can also get it from here, and free domain also you can get it from here. Okay, so you can either you can select this or this. I will recommend you can select this plan, because in this plan you will also get free CDN, content delivery network. So this will also increase the website performance, the website speed, and security wise also CDN, it's very good. If you have heard about Cloudflare, so Cloudflare is one of the most famous CDN networks. So Hostinger is actually providing their own CDN, and that is also incredibly professional, and you will definitely feel a very major difference in the speed, in the security and performance of your website if you are using a CDN. So you will go to choose plan. Okay, So now here you can see, like if you go with the 12 months, so free domain for first year, free domain for first year, and also with this option. So you will have to pay for 1 year, or also you will have to pay, you have option for 2 years and also for 4 years. But if you are going to select 1 month, like monthly you want to pay your hosting fees, then you will not get this option. So I will recommend to choose one of them. As per your budget, you can select one of them, and after that you will create your account. Simple, you can connect your Google account or your email address and password, and then the method you can select according to your country. Like here you can see credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate also. In order to use this gateway, minimum amount is 14 cents, and you can see 1 business day, that is instant pay, these options. So instant you can pay, and after this step you will proceed to this one, like you will get your dashboard. And you know, this is the fun part actually. After registration, after signing up, you will be prompted to choose your domain. During the process, you will also find, you know, the registration process. They may ask you, and also here you even you skip that part. So after registration, you will find in the dashboard, like you can claim your free domain here. So you will be prompted here to choose your domain, and this is where you can enter your desired domain name. Make sure it's something catchy and easy to remember, and if your first choice is taken, for instance, don't sweat it, just try a different one until you find the perfect fit. For example, if we go to claim domain, and if I type here like learn easy code, and you can see different extensions including .in, .io, .me, .com, .net, .org, .xyz, .help, and a lot of other, you know, famous extensions, even .shop, .click, .email, .online, .digital, .website. These are very famous and professional extensions, and you can choose one of them. For instance, learneasycode.com. Actually, this is already registered, and it is one of my other domains. So if I check the availability, you will see like the error. This domain is already taken. So try searching for something, you know, some other domain. So what I will do, for example, the vipinfo.com. You can see that interface is also very, you know, super user friendly. So you are here guided through the rest of the setup without any hassle. You know, once all done, you will finalize your payment. Hey, remember, the domain is free. So you are just paying for the hosting, easy peasy, right? You know, here you will just paying for hosting, not for the domain. This is the hosting charges. So domain is totally free, and here you can see like we are claiming our free domain. So the VIP info, if we check the availability, so you can see domain is available. Okay, and usually it's $15.99 per month, per year, yearly, annually, but here it's 0.00 per year. So we will claim the domain from here. Now registration, it will ask you, okay, and this is the key moment, like after following all these steps, you are finally, you know, ready to register your domain and launch your website. Okay, so what we will do here, like country and the next step, and we will enter here the contact details, and finish registration. A great news. So you can see your domain, the vipinfo.com is being secured. Get ready to go online. So you can click on continue. So we are reviewing your domain. It might take up to 24 hours to activate it. So, you have done your part, but now Hostinger is reviewing this section. So within 24 hours, your domain will be yours and it will be existing in the domains list. So, to recap, getting a free domain with Hostinger is a straightforward process that can help kickstart your online journey, without breaking the bank. You just need to choose the right plan that I showed you, that I explained you, the hosting plan. Just register, sign up, and select your desired domain. It's really, it's very simple. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to establish your online presence without those hefty domain costs, weighing you down. So, the guide is very, it's very easy process, and the process is very easy, and the guide was also very easy that I explained here. So here you can see, like after this, review process, maybe less than 24 hours, the domain will be in my domains list. And external domains, these are my external domains that you can see here. So, like if you have found this guide helpful, make sure to check, my other videos on web development and graphics designing tips and tricks. This is actually one of my, client's account. Is my friend also. So, therefore I have prepared a video in his account. So the process to show you that how we can get a free domain, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and I'd love to hear from you and help you out. Thanks for watching and happy website building. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends, so your friends, they can get an incredibly professional hosting with the best and professional features, and you will also get a free domain. So this is the easy process. Thank you so much once again.